The bad thing is it didn't tone my hair, it colored it. The good thing is this is my last video before the giveaway winner announcement. Hey guys, it's Jennifer Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Another awesome video. Today I'm doing another hair video. You didn't think you'd get one every week, did you? Alrighty, so today I'm doing, I guess, a kind of hair experiment because I've never done this before. I'm going to attempt to tone my hair using a purplish bluish hair dye. So we're just gonna get right into it, so here we go. Alright, so today we are using, of course, Arctic Fox, mostly because I just haven't bought anything else. So I have Purple Rain, and then I also have Poseidon. Now if you don't or are not familiar with the color wheel, what you do is you go opposite of the color spectrum to cancel out that color. So in this case, orange, you would need a blue color to cancel out orange. Purple, which you see most of the time, like most toning videos, use purple. That's yellow. That's how you get out yellow tones, is you use a purple. Well, because I'm kind of in the middle, it's like an orangey yellow, mostly orange, I'm going to use mostly blue, but also with the purple tint to it to get rid of the yellow tones as well. So it should just overall cool down the color of my hair and make it more of a cool platinum blonde kind of color. And if it ends up dyeing it the color that I'm going to put on it, that's fine too, because I'm good with that, whatever. Okay, this is just my experiment to see if it works. So follow me on it, we'll see how it goes. Alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do is, before I even mess with the colors, I'm going to go ahead and change into a funky shirt that I don't care about, and I'll be right back. Now that I have my funky shirt on, I'm going to go ahead and do my mixers, and then we'll do gloves and all that good stuff. So to start out, I don't have a whole lot of Purple Rain left, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in the bowl. Alright, this is how much purple I used, and then I am going to take the Poseidon and put that in there. Probably about equal parts. Alright, so we got half and half. The next thing I'm going to do is add a white conditioner to dilute it. Arctic Fox does sell an Arctic Mist, which is also a diluter, but white conditioner does the same thing. This was like $2, so that's what I use. And for that, I'm starting out with a whole lot, because both of these colors are very dark, and you want it to be more of a pastel-y dark color, because my intention is not to color my hair. My intention is to tone my hair. So I need it to be very light. So this is more of a pastel kind of color. Hopefully I do have enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair and put my gloves on, and we're gonna just put this all over my hair, coat it really well, see what happens. All right, ready to go. So I'm just gonna throw this on my hair. That's what it looks like, dark. It's not a perfect line, but whatever, it works for me. Now everything is on my head. Now I can just put a bag on it, and I'm gonna let it, it's because I don't have a shower cap, it's fine, but I'm gonna let it sit for about 45 minutes. I normally, when I'm coloring, like dyeing it, I do it for 5 to 7 hours, which is a huge, huge difference. So we're gonna do a very short time period, nothing crazy, and then I will be back and see what happens. Well guys, my fear has been realized, and I'm purple. It didn't rinse out, it didn't tone my hair, it colored it. So I don't know how other people do it, and it just rinses out magically, and it's this awesome blonde color. Well, mine just didn't do that. I think my hair just enjoys being colored and soaked that shit right up. So it's holding on for dear life. The good thing is I'm going swimming in a chlorinated pool in about 3 days. So it's going to fade drastically, if not rinse completely out, which will give me a good base for my next color. So yeah, but this is what it looks like. I'm not super happy with it. I mean, I enjoy purple. It's like one of my favorite hair colors to have, but I just feel like it's like, look, it's different colors. My roots are a different color than, you know, the rest of it, and it's kind of patchy and weird looking. It's just not a good look. But I'm just gonna go with it for now, and we'll see what happens when I get in the pool and go from there. But anyways, if you're ready for the giveaway comment of the day, this is just gonna be random, okay? But comment, how tall are you? And I will give you an extra entry if you can guess how tall I am. I may have mentioned it in a previous video, I'm not sure on that, but if you know, or yeah, just get close or guess how tall am I, and I'll give you 2 extra entries for this video. It is the last video before I do my announcement for the winner tomorrow. So stay tuned. I will be drawing the names out of a basket for the winner tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. It's an extra little video in there for Friday. But anyways, I hope you guys do like the video. Even though it was a massive fail, it's still kind of pretty. I mean, it's not that bad. It's not what I wanted. It's not that bad. So you can still thumbs it up, right? Okay. And then also, if you're not already, subscribe and make sure you are subscribed with your notifications on public if you are a part of the giveaway. And I guess I will see you tomorrow for the announcement of the giveaway winner. Alrighty, okay, bye.